Hey everybody, SavvyOPS here. I'm on this random app because today I have warrior cat facts. Interesting and weird warrior cat facts. 10 of them. And it takes less time to record on this screencast, so it takes less time to upload it and my internet doesn't crash. So that's why I'm doing this. And I decided every time after I say a fact, I'll do fact. Warrior cat fact number 1. Purdy was a homosexual. Which I think is actually awesome. Number 2. Hollyleaf was originally going to be blind instead of Jayfeather. Riverpod died of liver cancer in his sleep after The Last Hope. Goosefeather anticipated Snowkit's death. You know, Snowkit, the one that got taken away by a hawk. 5. Ravenpaw actually gave Bramblestar a life. An original plan for the series was for Firestar to be a female and would be mates with Graystripes. Graystripes. Number 7. Cinderpelt liked Fireheart, but Fireheart never caught on. Number 8. Graystripe favored Feathertail because she looked like Silverstream. Number 9. Graystripe will choose Silverstream when he dies and goes to StarClan. And 10, which I think is very interesting. While Nutmeg was pregnant with Firestar, she had a vision of him on High Rock. Which means she actually knew he was going to be a forest cat. Way to go, Nutmeg. Let's go home. Cute kitten wallpaper. So I have my games. Got my art, got FNAF, got random photo editing, and I got my aminos. Yes, I now have a Hamilton amino. Same name. So, see you all later. I hope you enjoyed those warrior cat facts.